Yo, all right. A little bit of a different screen there. Did not mean to do that screen. Just want to make a quick video here. We're gonna post this up on for YouTube purposes. Not gonna be streaming as of yet. I know it's been a couple weeks since I did the Untitled Car Show, but I just wanted to kind of get this video out here. I did get this month's Petrolbox. This should be the last one. I did cancel it, and we'll see what happens there with that. But I still got one for some reason this month. So let's see what's in this bad boy. If you are looking for if you are a car person, you're looking for a box. Petrolbox is pretty good. There might be some other ones I would probably check out if I can find more. Maybe I'll look into that. But yeah, let's get into this quick here. We got a wheel brush. Looks like red and black type of thing here. Nice little handle. Let's not read the contents. We'll just go through it. We got some Jax Wax Ultimate. Jax Ultimates. It is wheel cleaner. I know somebody who uses Jax Wax and enjoys it. Got the usual pin. Looks like a little Honda CRX. We'll look at the t-shirt in a minute. Looks like we got a trucker hat in here. In Speed We Trust. Hell yeah. It's pretty sweet. We got the sprayer for the wheel cleaner. This month's sticker is a Volkswagen Beetle. Yeah. My favorite. We got air freshener every month. We got magnets. Subscriber ride of the month. It's a purple Challenger. Classic. Pretty. Those ones are good looking for sure. And we got the t-shirt. Whoop, sorry, I hit the mic. Pretty sweet shit. Legend. All right. That's it for this one. Have a good one.